Megan with WTI, and if you're looking for a decorative serving tray to spice up your family room or your dining room, I highly recommend this one. It's made out of solid wood, and I just love the cute metal handles and the fact that family is decoratively written on the front. It's simple, elegant, yet rustic, perfect for a farmhouse look as well. As you can see in my photos, it just spruces up my dining room table gorgeously and adds a little extra touch of magic to any room. So if you're looking for a great rustic serving tray, something with a farmhouse style, something cozy for family, I mean, this tray really has it all. It's simple enough that it can integrate into any decorating style. So I highly recommend it because I love it, and that's my point of view.